All right, now we're moving on to the circuit board. This is called the, what is this thing again? The main record playback assembly. Record playback assembly. Record, play, PCB. Here we go. It's another one of these little Japanese bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dead center. Okay, bring off that piece there. Oh, okay, battery. That's easy. That's the battery pack. Very easy. Anything else here? It's strange. Nope. Okay, and we have a heat shield here. So I'm gonna try to maybe somehow reglue that. Ah! Ew, there's a big bug. Oh my gosh, how did you get under there, buddy? Ah! Look at that. Little weirdo. Oh, it looks like a roach. It was a little roach with babies, dude. Oh my God. That's what all those little ones were. They were just little versions of that. Sorry guys, your life sucked. That scared me, dude. Little bug from Japan. Hello. Hello. That is so funny. Little bugs and big bugs. I imagine it came out of one of these abandoned houses in Japan. And a serious problem with that. All right, so now we'll mark this battery. Take these off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're on our way now. Last thing to take out is, I wish I could get these, put these over here. This is gonna be the mixing board screws. Plastic goes over the I like how this is a guitar strap thing. Okay, let's take these off. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's got a little funny guy on it. It's going in there too. Now this has cable ties on it. That can't be what, oh, we forgot something. This will not come off.